Hi, it's me, Wild Horse from Moveroot, and I'm down near the Rhine at the moment on a little move through the sticks and workout. I've got my 5 fingers on because there's often a lot of people hang out around here and leave their glass bottles here, and I don't want to tread in any glass, and there's so many mosquitoes, it's amazing. And I've covered myself in tiger balm, hoping they're not going to like it, but to be honest, I don't think they could care less. Never mind, I'll have to keep moving. Right, now the aim of this kind of excursion is to get tuned in with diversity of nature, to get tuned in of constantly changing grounds, changing moving patterns, to get my body really adapted. Because if I get tuned into nature and if I get my body adapted to all this different stuff, then I'm preventing my body from getting injured. Then I'm going to be able to adapt to any situation. So if we just train indoors in gyms and just keep doing the same movements all the time, then when we get out in the sticks or something unforeseen happens, our bodies may be trained and strong, but they're not going to react ideally to the situation because they're just not used to any imbalance. They're just not used to to the floor changing, the surface is changing, the structure's changing, movements changing. The same like if you go running on paving every day and you get strong legs and you can go for miles and miles and you feel really fit. You go off path, take your shoes off, go off path, and you'll realize how vulnerable you are. So a good way to get adapted, to get tuned in, is to keep changing the way you train and to keep adapting to different situations, different surfaces. So I went for a good run this morning. Today's my moving day, and I just went a cross-country run, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. That really did me good. I didn't go too far. It was about 8 kilometers, and it wasn't about speed. It was about getting tuned in and getting tuned into the surfaces and just getting there across the country. And now this afternoon I'm larking around a bit, doing a bit of monkey business, just to get my body into the capability of adapting and moving in all sorts of different situations. Lots of dragonflies here. Jungle. I'm back from that little scramble. Whatever you do, when you do something like this, check yourself for ticks afterwards. I know the gnat set me up, but that doesn't really matter. Ticks you want to watch out for. Check yourself for ticks. I just found one climbing up my leg, and I'm going to have a good look later on and see if I've got any, because 2 years ago I did get a borreliose from a tick bite. Something you don't want to have, takes a long time to get rid of. I'm Wild Horse from Move Root. Get outside, move to your roots.